Hello, Mr. Rudy. My name is Ata. I'm grade 4. I will show you how to adding fraction using rectangle module. Okay, so there's 3a plus 3/4. First, we need to draw the same fraction. After that, we line the fraction. But we check first. As 8 can divided by 4, 8 can be divided by 4. So only one fraction that we line it. We line 3/4 to 6/8. Denominator is same. And then we can add it.
Tambah, Kak.
3/8 plus 6/8 equal 9/8. Check first. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, we change it become a mixed number. So the answer is 1/8.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Rudy.